Yeah, I just like the sound of the truth. I just like the fucking sound of it. I just like the sound of the truth.
I just like the sound of it.
I just like the sound of the truth. I just like the fucking sound of it. I just like the sound of the truth. Yes, I just like the sound of the truth. I just like the fucking sound of it. I just know they gon' lie to me. Judah, they continue to fool that you see the demons. Nigga, you living amongst heathens. Travel to the stars, who are you believe it? Tell you the weather, the mod, they predicted. And nigga, you addicted to theories and writings, images and idols. Miss Boucher, that shit the devil. Let her hear the sound of the truth, that shit better. Gravity, shit ain't real like cat feathers. If my skin black, the fuck is my hair color? Only one side of the moon, you seen another. The rabbit hole deep, you fall, you never landed. I come to end theories, I handle the nigga truth. I just like the fucking sound of it. Ask some questions, hear the lies coming. Satellites, I never see them, never. Earth spinning, wicked, witness the spectacle. Technical, the truth hurt like no antidote. 1,000 books to razzle that reality. Your thoughts ain't really yours, nigga, don't lie to me. Stars larger than the earth. Who told you that? Horizon where the earth curve. Who told you that? Sun was here before the earth. Who told you that? How you move your lips when you believe bullshit? I just like the fucking sound of the truth. Junior high, the theories through the roof. Want me imagine standing on the moon? Think you genius? Now you got this shit backwards. Search for plans, but that shit don't exist. Say they got nukes, but that shit don't exist. Rockets curved because space don't exist. Truth, I just like the sound of it.